Okay, hello guys. Hi. Today I'm gonna be doing a photo walk here in the uptown area of Saint John, New Brunswick, and I will be using the Tamron's 28-75mm, and I have the Sony A7 III with me, so let's check it out. I think I'm gonna start on this side. This just looks cool. But I'm using manual settings right now. I have the aperture set to the lowest you can go, which is 2.8, and I've set the ISO to auto. I've also set this button right here to -3. This is a cool alley here with the lights and stuff. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna shoot like a little bit in the center. This is where I used to work here. It's good. It's good. Yeah, I'm just taking a picture of this. No, it's okay. So this is, by the way, this is where I used to work, Center Beam Place. I've worked here for more than 3 years, actually almost 4 years. Look at that light right here. And the structures and all those stuff. It's just really cool. Thank you.
Are you from the South area that's in there?
No, I just lived at the west side, but I haven't been here a lot.
Nah, it's just if you were an American, I was going to tell you that was used to be down at the Cardinals building.
Oh yeah, it's look at the walls and stuff. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's a great place to work. Place to work.
You work at?
Yeah.
What department?
They farmed me out to a dedicated client.
Yeah, I used to work here actually.
Yeah?
I was with the OC.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
No way.
With, is the Luke still there? Luke.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's still here.
Who was that? Manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, just was like, it's been almost.
You guys were upstairs. I never got to see it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like.
COVID hit.
And we started working from home, so.
Yeah, where'd you end up going?
New Brunswick.
Oh
Yeah.
Very good.
It's good. Been like more than a year already, so I was just visiting the place. It's. Yeah.
But some of them were just so unprofessional. It's crazy.
Right.
Just lose their mind at the end. It's just like,
One eternity later.
Was he the EOC manager?
He used to be, yeah.
Okay, good.
When I end up in EOC, he was my manager for at least 6 months before he left.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
he was
I don't
really
know
good.
Where they ended up. Good for you, man. Good for you. You know, that's awesome.
What's your name? I'm sorry.
Ron.
Yeah, I've chatted with you a lot of time. My name's Renz.
Ritz, yes.
I always ask your help too, so yeah, I can forget that.
One eternity later.
Wait, so I've seen one of my colleague before. Yeah, so I've met one of my coworkers before. Kuya. Oh man, I guess the push-up left. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start walking back there. Okay, I'm gonna use this road right here. Composition. It's everything. City of Champions. Oh, look at the sun's flare. I guess that's it for me.